'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house no one was stirring, not even a mouse. Then the silence was broken with a knock at the door. We scurried to see who had made such a clang. 'Twas the UPS delivery man with a box in his hand. Standing at our door with a glint in his eye, he held out the box and a pad for us to sign. A delivery this late on Christmas Eve? Oh me, oh my, just what could it be? It's far too large to be Grandma's hand-knitted socks, yet who else would be shipping to us such a box? Or maybe, just maybe, it's some hocus pocus, a high-performance computer called the Kubuntu Focus. Oh, I hope so, I hope so, I wish it would be. There's only one way to find out. Let's take a look and see. So, here's the package that's just arrived from UPS. And let's see what we've got in here. Now, don't try this at home, kids. Dangerous knife. Nicely taped up. Let's have a look on both sides. How exciting! It's like, well, it is Christmas, but how good is this? Let's have a look and see. Ooh. Wow, bubble wrap. Check it out. Wow, look at this. This is way nicely packed up. And then we've got, it could be a box within a box within a box. The box is actually this big. It's 6 or 7 boxes in here. Look at this. Hours of fun. Whee! Love it. Right. Okay, right. Here's the magic. Now, here it comes. Now this is what I call a box. How about that? Now that is what I call a box. That is a proper smashing box experience. So, I'd seen the designs of this when Mike was talking to me about it, and but I didn't expect it to look this good. This looks absolutely fantastic. What I really like, normally when you've received laptops in the past, it just comes in a little brown box like this, but to see something like this with kind of all the effort that's gone into printing this, look at this on both sides, printed all the way around, 2 different colours. Let's have a look and see what's inside here. Let me get this, see if we can open this carefully, because I want to really take care of this box. Oh nice, look at that. Whoa, look at that. So we've got some printed Kubuntu Focus on. This is power out of the box. So thank you for reviewing the Kubuntu Focus. This is the reviewer's guide that gives us some guidance and notes on what to go through. And then in here, got this is the actual Kubuntu Focus, like support details, etc., explaining what's going on there. And we've got the main master components, including, wow, look at this, including a Kubuntu branded recovery key that's in there, as well as the manuals and a screen cleaning box and a CD disc with some drivers, etc. That's way nice, way nice. And then in here is the actual laptop itself. So let me just gently put the box down to one side and then take these pieces off. Look at that emblem. That emblem is fantastic. You can see that just protruding in the plastic. It's, well, brilliant. So a nice cover wrap in there, and then an additional cover case here to cover all of this off. This feels nice and solid. This is a metal actually. It looks like plastic, but it isn't. This is a metal base. Oh, that's nice. Even got Kubuntu logo on the bottom. So somebody's really thought about the brand on this. And that whole logo badge just protrudes beautifully off the back of the laptop. Up we can see that the screen's all nicely covered. This is a really nice sized laptop actually, for me in particular. It seems to be in a big move of late to have a small 11 and 13-inch laptops, and my sight's not good enough to be straining my eyes looking at that all the time. And then you've got even down to the little Kubuntu key here, and then a little cover up for that. So this is, the whole packaging experience is just really great, and it's really exciting when you receive that. You get all of that stuff in the box like that, all put together. It just makes a really, really great package. So now the tricky thing, of course, is that what I'm going to have to do shortly is set this laptop up. And of course, right now we're recording this with just our ordinary telephones. This is a Google Pixel that I'm recording this with. I haven't got anything that I can video edit this to put this together into a video. So I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use this to do the video editing. So this is all a bit contrived perhaps in some ways, because I haven't even set the machine up yet. But my understanding of it is that this comes with developer tools. It's got all the NVIDIA graphics drivers. It's got KDN Live video editing suite, along with audio editing tools and everything that I need on the machine. So hopefully I should just be able to plug my phone in, get the files across, and then be able to edit this up into an unboxing video. Absolutely brilliant. Merry Christmas, one and all. Okay, so we've got the Kubuntu Focus out of the box. Just going to let you see the power on cycle now to see how that works. So bear with me a second. Keyboard lights up in like glowing rainbow colours, which is pretty cool. There's the BIOS splash screen with Kubuntu Focus. Keyboard flashes around. I love the keyboard colours, they're beautiful. Now we're booting and we're ready to unlock. Now on this review machine, everything is Kubuntu. So hopefully that should unlock the disk encryption. And there we are, to the login screen. Okay, so here I am editing the video on the Kubuntu Focus laptop. You can see here the little video editor as it's playing through. I'm just editing up the bloopers section.
Take 3, poem.
And then I'm going to upload this and insert it in this gap between here. More fun to be had. More fun to follow.
Take 3, poem.
'Twas the...
Cut. Take 4, poem.
"'Twas the night before Christmas, when my wife was in the house. The camera's so sensitive, you can hear her squeaking like a mouse."
Cut. Take 5, poem.